school vibe, man. It sound like. Where that old school vibe, man. I need it like. Come on, talk to him.
Whatever happened to that auto-spoken word? Like lyrical rhyme is absurd. Man, all that snapping and clapping, that's for the birds. No more 8th grade flow, dog, they working on the curve. So many artists fall into these cult-like rituals with habitual lust after more material, not knowing that rhyming came from Negro spirituals. So slave masters could only chain they physical, but most ain't really trying to hear what I'm spitting, no, cause this flow here is so atypical. Maybe if I talk about weed or pushing keys, that'd be more of what hip-hop need, right? Come on. Yeah. I miss that old school vibe, it used to sound like. That old school vibe, man, it sound like. Where that old school vibe, man, I need it like. Come on, talk to him. Right now that game lacks geometric form. In layman's terms, that's out of shape. Many wanna gravitate towards that paper. Me, I'd rather cling to my savior. Cause when we all die, where is that gonna take you? A one-way ticket out of his good grace, bro. It makes no sense. Why hit a home run and slide the home plate? That's a waste. I'm already safe, bro. I mean, getting on at first base is straight. If a single is all you're looking for, this field is raw but backwards. More like war. Get a double or triple, you in position to score. But that's the mentality that you raised with when you pour. Win, lose, or draw, we gon' make it to the finish line if we gotta cross. So I'ma go hard for him until he call like, come on. Yeah. I miss that old school vibe, it used to sound like.
Any dude that ever seen Sesame Street know how to rhyme, you know what I'm saying?
I miss that old school vibe, man, it sound like.
It's time to get the game back. Let's go, hip-hop, stand up.
Where that old school vibe, man, I need it like.